Hello Etsy shoppers. So I have a little tutorial here on how to put on vinyl decals. So we're gonna put a vinyl decal onto my computer case here. This has a nice clear window, so the decals show up really nice. So here we have the Alliance Lion in the holographic pearl vinyl sheet that I have, and I'm gonna put this sticker right here on my case. So included in your package, you should have gotten your sticker, little alcohol prep pad, and then you'll need a plastic PVC card. So I'm using my one of my membership cards to a place that I frequent. So anyway, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the alcohol pad first and open this up. We're just gonna clean the area that we're gonna put the sticker on. And then we're gonna let it dry. You wanna make sure you clean the surface with rubbing alcohol, just because it gets the surface nice and prepped for the sticker to go on there. So once that's dry, which it is, you're gonna take your decal and just slowly peel it away from the backing. You want to make sure that everything still stays attached to the transfer tape here. So see, we got the whole thing there. Now here's the tricky part. Now you want to go really slow when you put it on. So just make sure you have it where you want it. And then I like to start from one side and work my way down. So you just take the card and just lightly go down. This prevents air bubbles. You can also do it with your fingers at first, but then I like to go over it with the card just to make sure that all the air bubbles are out. So I'm gonna make sure that get all the air bubbles out. And you wanna make sure you do this lightly, because if you do this too hard, the card is going to cut into the vinyl and probably cause a crease. I have a little screw here, so that's why it's a little strange. All right, now here's the tricky part, another tricky part I should say. So when you peel the transfer tape away, you want to make sure that everything is laying down before you peel it up completely. So just take your time and go really slow and make sure that the everything on the sticker stays put, so that nothing is attached to the transfer tape once it leaves the sticker. So just go slow here. See how this little piece is coming up? I just do that. Okay. But yeah, there you go. And that is how you put a vinyl decal on something. Now, they do last for about a year, depending on what they're exposed to. So this guy is probably gonna last forever because it's on my computer case and this thing stays inside. It's not exposed to any sunlight, and it's not being rubbed on. So yeah, there you go. Thank you for watching.